Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the floret stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains. You will need to know how to make the slip stitch and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the floret stitch. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in multiples of 2 plus 3. So for the first row I made here, I did all double crochet. Then I did the floret stitch on my next row. I did a row of double crochet, floret stitch, and I went from there. So on the row that I'm currently working, I actually am going to make a double crochet row. And then I'm going to turn and I'm going to make my floret stitch on the next row. So I've already made 3 chains on my hook. I'm going to go ahead and just make my doubles really quick. I'm just going to do 1 double crochet into each stitch. I'm sticking with the double crochet theme here for the floret. You honestly could do like half doubles, triples, whatever you want to do for this row. It's just like a sort of foundation row in between them. But the floret is actually made up of the double crochet and the slip stitch alternating. So I chose the double crochet to sort of fit that theme to stick with the double crochet in the floret. So I'm going to finish making my double crochet row. This is just 1 double crochet into each stitch. And I'm going to finish up making a double crochet into this last stitch right here, maybe. There we go. All right, so that's going to be my sort of row in between the florets. That's my double crochet row. I'm going to chain 1 and then I'm going to turn my work. So this is going to be my floret row. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to alternate between double crochets and slip stitches. So for this right here, since I did chain 1, I'm going to do a slip stitch. And then I'm going to work a double crochet into this stitch right here. Slip stitch, double crochet, slip stitch in the next stitch, double crochet in the next, slip stitch, then double crochet, slip stitch, double crochet. So this is how that is looking so far. Slip stitch in the next stitch, double crochet in the next, slip stitch, double crochet, slip stitch in the next, double crochet, slip stitch, and double crochet into this last stitch right here. I can turn my work again, and that is what it is going to look like. So for any future rows, you would repeat this. You would do a all double crochet row after this one, and then you would do the floret stitch. Now you could start with double. I did start on my floret row. I did start with a slip stitch. You could start with double and then do slip. It's really however you want to do it. So that is going to be how to make the floret stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.